High blood sugar or hyperglycemia can be a concerning issue for anyone, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes. Whether you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels daily or take preventive steps for long-term health, the good news is that there are effective strategies to help. These approaches don't require expensive treatments, just a bit of awareness, consistency, and commitment to healthier choices. In this guide, we'll explore 10 proven strategies to reduce blood sugar levels naturally and effectively. These tips are backed by science and easy to implement in your everyday life. Stick around to learn how to take control of your health and improve your overall well-being. 1. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels is the first step to managing them. Use a glucometer or a continuous glucose monitor, CGM, to check your levels throughout the day. This helps you understand how your body reacts to certain foods, activities, and medications. By knowing your trends, you can make informed decisions to avoid spikes or drops. Regular monitoring also provides valuable insights for your healthcare provider to fine-tune your treatment plan. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity plays a crucial role in reducing blood sugar levels. Exercise helps your muscles use glucose for energy, which lowers the amount of sugar in your bloodstream. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. Strength training, like lifting weights or using resistance bands, is also beneficial as it improves insulin sensitivity. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase intensity to prevent overexertion. 3. Eat a balanced diet with low glycemic foods. What you eat directly impacts your blood sugar levels. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Include low glycemic index, GI, foods like vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and lean proteins. These foods digest slowly, providing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. Limit high GI foods like sugary snacks, white bread, and processed carbohydrates that cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. 4. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to elevated blood sugar levels due to the release of stress hormones like cortisol. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Regular relaxation exercises not only help lower stress, but also improve insulin sensitivity and overall blood sugar control. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and avoid sugary beverages like soda and fruit juices, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Staying hydrated also helps prevent dehydration, which can make blood sugar levels harder to manage. 6. Get enough quality sleep. Poor sleep or lack of sleep can negatively affect blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your body's natural processes. Establish a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Avoid screen time before bed and create a calming environment to promote restful sleep. 7. Add more fiber to your diet. Fiber slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and the absorption of sugar, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Include plenty of fiber-rich foods in your meals, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats, beans, and flax seeds, is particularly effective in improving blood sugar control. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. 8. Incorporate apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. Consuming a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, before meals can help reduce blood sugar spikes after eating. Dilute apple cider vinegar in a glass of water to make it easier to consume. However, consult your doctor before adding it to your routine, especially if you're taking medication. 9. Avoid large meals and practice portion control. Eating large meals can cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. Instead, opt for smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to keep your blood sugar stable. Practice portion control by using smaller plates, measuring servings, and being mindful of your hunger and fullness cues. Eating slowly can also prevent overeating and help you enjoy your meals more. 10. Take medications as prescribed. If you have diabetes, taking your prescribed medications, including insulin, oral hypoglycemics, or other treatments, is crucial for blood sugar management. Never skip doses or adjust medications without consulting your healthcare provider. Work closely with your doctor to ensure your treatment plan is effective and aligned with your lifestyle. Combining medication with healthy habits amplifies your ability to control blood sugar levels. Reducing blood sugar levels doesn't have to be overwhelming or complicated. With these 10 strategies, ranging from regular exercise and a balanced diet to stress management and proper hydration, you can take proactive steps toward better blood sugar control and overall health. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Small gradual changes can lead to significant improvements over time. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Subscribe to our content for more valuable health insights and take charge of your well-being starting today.